Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Lo Ye Feng from Malaysia Timber Industry Board. Today I would like to present to you entitled The Oil Palm Trunk: Opportunities and Challenges for the Malaysian Timber-Based Industry. Land area in Malaysia is about 33 million hectares. Forested area take up about 18.27 million hectares in total. The Malaysian timber industry is an important income generator for our nation's economy. The export revenue of timber products was valued about 22.5 billion ringgit Malaysia in year 2019, with a total workforce excess of 100,000. We have about 2,000 wood mills in Malaysia, cover main sector like furniture, sawmills, plywood, and others products. This graph shows the requirements of timber raw materials by the industry from year 2020 until year 2035. The industry is currently facing a shortage of timber raw materials. It's about average of 8.6 million meter cubic or 36% to meet the industry needs. Alternative raw materials such as oil palm trunk can be used for the production of value-added timber and biocombustible products. There are about 5.8 million hectares of oil palm plantation in Malaysia. After 25 years old and above, the oil palm trees will produce less fruits and will need to give away for the replanting exercise. This will present a huge raw material to the timber industries as the felled oil palm trunk is a renewable source of alternative of raw material. This source of raw material can be used for the various applications like in wood industry for the plywood, sawn timber, particle, and fiber-based product. The oil palm wood, they have a lot of advantages derived from the oil palm trunk, as below, such as the palm is not straight fiber grain, excellent in value for the many properties such as screw withdrawal, no VOC, and available in large quantities. Some of the initiatives that carried out by Malaysia Timber Industry Board and the timber industry, both in the past and present, has enabled OPT, oil palm trunk, to become a new and important source of raw material for conversion into timber products such as oil palm trunk timber and the sawn timber product like the robot, Gulen, CLT, for the construction and also the furniture industry. The Malaysia Timber Industry Board also developed some of the products like vinyl and plywood from the use of oil palm trunk. To date, NTIP has encouraged and promoted a number of activities, particularly in the processing of oil palm trunk into value-added downstream product for further utilization in both construction and furniture industry. There are fundamental differences between oil palm trunk and natural forest logs in the area of density, moisture content, and mechanical properties. These attributes require modified equipment and processing methods for peeling, solving, drying, chemical treatment, gluing, as well for finishing. This difference pose challenges to the existing plywood and timber factory that have to research and identify the best operational techniques to process oil palm trunk. Last but not least, more research work will be needed, especially in the process of transforming oil palm trunk into plywood and other timber products. Good quality products can be made. However, the ultimate test is how well the market can accept them. The emergence of plywood and sawn timber made from oil palm trunk should present an attractive proposition to importing countries as it is environmentally friendly and sustainable. This is also in line with the rising demands for environmentally friendly and sustainably managed timber products in the developed country. With this in mind, many initiatives had to be undertaken to introduce this timber product to the global market. If anyone have any questions or would like to know further about the oil palm trunk products, you can contact me via email, post, or telephone. With that, thank you very much, and everybody please stay safe and healthy.